If you sell on Etsy and you don't have a clean price list yet, I'll show you exactly how to build one in Canva in the next 3 minutes, even if you've never used Canva before. Here's exactly what we're going to make. Clean, professional, ready to add to your Etsy shop, your packaging, or your social media. Let's build it. Open Canva and click Create button on the top left. For a price list, I recommend a custom size of 1080 by 1080 pixels. That's square. So it works perfectly on Instagram, your Etsy shop banner, and as a printed insert. You'll get a blank white canvas. That's exactly what we want. We're going to build this from scratch so it matches your brand, not a generic template. Click the background to select it, then click the color square in the top. Pick a color that matches your Etsy shop brand. If you're not sure, a soft cream, hex code F9, F5, F0 works beautifully for most product sellers. It looks premium without being loud. If your shop has a specific brand color, type your hex code right here instead. Consistency with your existing brand is always the right call. Click text on the left side panel, then add a heading. Type your Etsy shop name at the top. This is important because every piece of content you share should have your brand on it. Center align it. Bump the font size up to about 60 or 70 and pick a font that matches your brand style. For a clean, readable look, I'd go with Playfair Display for something elegant, or Montserrat if you want something modern. Just click the font name at the top and start typing the font name to search. Canva has hundreds. Now for the main part. Click Elements on the left, search for Table, and drag a table onto your canvas. We want 3 columns: product name, description, and price. Delete any extra rows you don't need by right-clicking and choosing Delete Row. Click the top row to select it. Fill it with your brand's dark color and type your 3 column headers in white text: product, description, price. This makes it instantly readable. Now, fill in your products, 1 per row. Keep your descriptions short, 1 line max. The price column should be right aligned so all the numbers line up neatly. Alternate the row colors between white and a very light gray. That makes it much easier to scan quickly. If you have a logo, click Uploads on the left and drag it onto the design. I'd put it in the bottom corner or top corner, small, so it doesn't compete with the price list itself. If you don't have a logo yet, just add your website or Etsy shop URL as a small text line at the bottom. That URL at the bottom turns this from a price list into a marketing piece. Every time someone photos it or shares it, your shop address goes with it. When you're done, click Share in the top right, then Download. Choose PDF print if you're going to print it as an insert, or PNG if you're using it on social media or your Etsy listings. I'd actually download both. They're free and you'll want both versions. And that's it, a professional Etsy price list built entirely for free in Canva in under 3 minutes. If you also need product labels for your Etsy packaging, that video shows you exactly how to design them in Canva in about the same time. Watch that next.